pulling this narrow body wheel off the front. Install the front wide body wheels. That's really the final steps for real. Prep for this weekend's roll car show. Now I gotta get them together. The bolt is a 7/8, so nothing is different. Should be exactly the same. Sucker's heavy for real. Heavier than the 275, definitely. Help keep the car planted up. One down, one to go. Clear there too, so. See, that's no cut, fellas. I ain't cutting my fingers up. I'm cool. You don't have to. Just drive careful. And I'm my extra securities down too, so. Cost. Alright, now. Got that down. Yes, sir. Got that done. Rear's on there. Much better. Much better. All right, so we're gonna get this last side on real quick. Y'all see it, dog. All right, so on to the other side now. Driver's side. First, you gotta break these damn lug nuts loose first. Clearly get loose over time. That sucker up out of there. Put them over here for now. Just got some shit stuck up in the grooves of the tires. Keep my shit on the up and up. So if something do go wrong, then I'll actually notice. All right, wheels installed. I'm just gonna tighten this up. We're good. And always is tightening a cross pattern if you can. So it'll lock down evenly on the hub center. There it is. All right. That's done. So now I'm about to just wipe this mug down so I don't got nothing else to do. Still got water stains from the last time I took it out. So I'm gonna cut y'all back. All right, y'all see it's done now. Got the wide body wheels on. We good. This is what I was telling y'all about. Like this panel keep popping up. It's supposed to be sticking down, but as you can see, you can hear that popping back up. I'm about to fix that. I got a solution for it. I'm about to put screws in there from the inside, but the back's good. No gaps there at all. Perfect. Same here. No gaps there, perfect. 0 gaps. This side, no gaps. Good for sure. First try. So y'all see. She looking mean for sure. Get that black hood on there. Satin black hood. I'm about to do that tomorrow, I think. I'm gonna go get that material from my boy. So y'all see. And we got clearance, so we ain't gotta worry about rubbing. I didn't cut nothing either. Everybody else cut their shit. I ain't doing that. Fuck all that. You can see no cut. No cut. So, yep. Y'all stay tuned. About to be dropping some bangers on y'all for real, bro. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.